Nathan. Nathan.
Hi, Nathan. Over here.
He'll focus if you put your finger over there and like you move it. He'll look.
Oh. Oh, he has little blonde eyebrows.
Nathan. Nathan.
There's no flashing lights.
No. He's not gonna make a weird face. That's my sweetie pie. This is my sweetie pie.
I could get my camera and try to green light his face.
That's okay.
Oh.
Look. It's like, can you feed me the rest of the bottle already? It looked like he was picking his nose. Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, you want me to die.